Combine date and time columns using pandas. I have a pandas data frame with the following columns. How do I combine data date and data time to get the following? Is there a way of doing it using pd.to_datetime?
It's worth mentioning that you may have been able to read this indirectly, for example if you were using red_CSV using parse_dates equals date, time. Assuming these are just strings, you could simply add them together, with a space, allowing you to use to_datetime, which works without specifying the format equals parameter. Alternatively, without the plus comma but the format equals parameter must be used. Additionally, pandas is good at inferring the format to be converted to a datetime, however, specifying the exact format is faster. Note, surprisingly, for me, this works fine with nans being converted to nat, but it is worth worrying that the conversion, perhaps using the raise argument, %timeit,
The accepted answer works for columns that are of data type string. For completeness, I come across this question when searching how to do this when the columns are of data types, date and time.
Cast the columns if the types are different, datetime and timestamp or str, and use to_datetime. Result? Best.
You can use this to merge date and time into the same column of data frame. Reading. CSV file with merged columns date_time. You can use this line to keep both other columns also.
If you want to see more, please consider